In the heart of the untamed wilderness, where mystery and wonder converge, a groundbreaking discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Prepare to be astounded as we take you on a captivating journey into the depths of the jungle, where the impossible becomes possible, and the extraordinary unfolds before our very eyes. Before diving deep into wilderness, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications to stay updated. Number 15. The Giant Snake. In 1959, Colonel Remy van Lierde had an incredible encounter while flying over Congo's Katanga region. He spotted a massive snake, nearly 15 meters long, with a wide triangular head and a contrasting dark green and brown upper body. Despite his amazement, the snake raised its head, and wisely, he decided to retreat and captured images of the creature for evidence. The snake's true origin remains a mystery, but if its size estimate is correct, it surpasses all known records, highlighting the wonders of the Congolese tropical forests. Number 14. The Vibranium Stone. In Congo's Tanganyika province, locals stumbled upon a remarkable discovery: peculiar dark stones that emit electric sparks when rubbed together. Videos of these stones went viral, showing them lighting up light bulbs like welding sparks. Some liken them to Vibranium from Marvel Comics, while scientists remain skeptical, considering the stone's ability to generate an electric charge defies typical knowledge of minerals. The mystery of these glossy black stones continues to intrigue people worldwide. Number 13. The Billy Apes. In the fascinating world of evolution, humans are said to have evolved from monkeys, with a mysterious piece known as the missing link bridging the gap between the two. Our closest relatives are chimpanzees, sharing almost 98.8% of their DNA sequence. But in the beautiful Billy Forest of northern Congo, an incredible discovery was made. Meet the Billy Apes, giant chimps resembling a mix of gorillas and chimps, towering up to 180 centimeters tall. With their immense power, they can even overpower lions. Scientists are intrigued by these unique creatures and are diligently researching to uncover the secrets of these giants. Number 12. Mahamba. Deep in the swamps near Lake Ocala, the Congolese have a chilling legend of the fearsome Mahamba, a massive reptile measuring 15 meters with jaws capable of crushing a human with ease. This elusive creature hides in the marshes, waiting for prey to strike. Despite numerous expeditions, the Mahamba remains an enigma to cryptozoologists. Some believe it could be a surviving mosasaur or a descendant of prehistoric crocodiles. The legend of the Mahamba still haunts the tribes, and they steer clear of the mysterious reaches of Lake Ocala, where this formidable creature is said to roam. Number 11. Juba Fofi, the giant spider. In the mysterious depths of the Congo jungle resides a creature of chilling tales. Juba Fofi, the giant spider. Local tribes and explorers speak of these colossal arachnids with basketball-sized abdomens and legs stretching up to 1.5 meters. Their enormous webs, spanning great distances between trees, possess a strength that can ensnare not only animals but even humans. The first Western encounter with these spiders occurred in the 1890s, leaving a British missionary with a harrowing tale. Unfortunately, encroachment by civilization may be driving this once numerous species to the brink of extinction. Number 10. The mountain gorillas. The captivating creatures of Congo include the majestic mountain gorillas, which have fascinated travelers and explorers for centuries. These extraordinary giants, towering over 2 meters and weighing over 200 kilograms, were first encountered in the early 1900s. Unfortunately, their habitat on the treacherous slopes of 6 volcanoes in the Virunga mountain range made their conservation challenging. Despite the obstacles, the unwavering dedication of American primatologist Diane Fossey led to numerous conservation efforts. Thanks to her, the endangered mountain gorillas found protection in Uganda's National Park and the Virunga National Park. However, the threat of poaching still looms, making their survival an ongoing concern. Number 9. Historic artifacts. Congo holds a treasure trove of historical artifacts, showcasing a brilliant civilization skilled in artistry, from sculptures to masks and textiles. These captivating artworks not only exhibit intricate details, but also serve as gateways to the rich cultural heritage of the Congolese people. Among the most renowned are the Congo and Kizi statues, Yaka masks, and Kubandop statues, each carrying enigmatic designs and spiritual significance, narrating distinct stories. However, this cultural heritage faced a painful history of looting during the Belgian colonization in the late 19th century. Recently, there has been a movement to right these historical wrongs, with Belgium planning to return some of the looted works to Congo in 2021, offering hope for healing the wounds of the past. Number 8. A living dinosaur. Millions of years ago, a powerful asteroid impact caused an extinction event that wiped out nearly 70% of life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. But could some dinosaurs have survived? Enter the legendary creature known as Mokele-mbembe, said to dwell in the Congo. Described as elephant-sized with a long neck, a single tooth, and a muscular tail, Mokele-mbembe is believed to be a herbivore, earning its name, the one who stops the flow of rivers. While sightings and reports of this enigmatic creature abound, one of the most famous encounters was by German explorer Gustav Lequent in 1909, who claimed to have seen a large, long-necked creature swimming in a river. Could Mokele-mbembe be a surviving member of the plant-eating sauropod dinosaurs? The mystery continues to intrigue and fascinate. Number 7. Monolith. Back in November 2020, a bizarre monolith appeared in Utah, capturing the world's attention. Soon, similar shiny structures popped up in Germany, India, the UK, and the Netherlands, sparking wild conspiracy theories and comparisons to the iconic monoliths from the movie 2001, A Space Odyssey. But the mystery didn't end there. In Kinshasa, Congo, a 3.5-meter metallic structure emerged, viewed with suspicion by the locals due to their strong superstitions. Number 6. Cobalt Mining. We delve into the world of cobalt mining in the Congo, where precious minerals like cobalt, coltan, and copper are extracted. You might not realize it, but these minerals are crucial for our everyday gadgets and electronics. Sadly, the reality behind this wealth is grim, as miners endure treacherous conditions, often likened to modern-day slavery. These courageous workers toil in hazardous environments, risking their health and even lives for meager wages. Number 5. Dinga Nek. In the early 20th century, daring Western explorers ventured into the African wilderness, uncovering new plant and animal species. Among them was the enigmatic Dinga Nek, a fascinating creature with a mix of features from various animals. Its long tusk-like snout, armadillo-like armor, and leopard-like spots made it truly unique. The first encounter with this extraordinary being happened in 1907, when British traveler and hunter John Alfred Jordan came face to face with the creature by the river during a hunting expedition. Though Jordan's initial skepticism was washed away, the Dinga Nek remained an elusive mystery, leaving him in awe and terror. Number 4. The Gold Mountain. A remarkable discovery shook the Democratic Republic of the Congo, a mountain seemingly made of gold. The news spread like wildfire, and villagers rushed to the site, eagerly digging in hopes of claiming their share of the precious treasure. But as excitement filled the air, the sad reality revealed itself. Multinational corporations seized control, leaving ordinary people empty-handed. Authorities intervened, arresting villagers and halting mining until proper regulations were in place. The tale of gold in Congo is one of tragedy, as the abundant riches continued to evade the people, turning a gleaming promise into a relentless curse of suffering and misery. Number 3. Kongamato. The Kongamato, a legendary flying dinosaur, has captivated the imaginations of villagers in Congo and Zambia for centuries. With its massive reptilian appearance, leathery wings, and diamond-tipped tail. It's no wonder this creature earned the name Breaker of Boats. Some believe it could be a real-life pterodactyl, fitting the description of attacks near water and targeting fishermen. Although it sounds like a fantastic cryptic legend to us, for the locals, encounters with the Congo have left them terrified and injured. Number 2. Cave of Agonizing Death. Elio Gotti, an intrepid Italian filmmaker and explorer, delved into the heart of the Congo's dangerous caves. One cave, known as the Cave of Agonizing Death, was believed to be inhabited by malevolent spirits. Gotti saw it as the ultimate test of his daring spirit. Inside, he faced the chilling sight of human remains and an approaching swarm of cobras. With sheer determination, he fought for survival, vowing never to challenge the Congolese people's stories again. Number 1. Deadliest Diseases. The Congo jungle is a paradise teeming with wonders, but hides hidden dangers like deadly diseases. Infamous diseases like Ebola, with its devastating symptoms and recurring outbreaks, pose significant risks to both tourists and researchers exploring the lush environment. The region's remote and harsh terrain, coupled with armed conflicts, exacerbates the challenges in providing medical care. Nonetheless, dedicated researchers and healthcare professionals are tirelessly working to combat these diseases, aiming to unlock their secrets and protect the vulnerable populations living in this remarkable region. The world around us is an intricate tapestry, woven with marvels beyond our imagination. It serves as a reminder that our planet is a sanctuary for countless wonders, each deserving of our utmost respect and protection. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more amazing content.